let's check number 15. There are two ways to do this, and you need to know both ways for the test, okay? So 60% of $45. Well, we know that of is times in math. So the first way is we can just do $45. 45. Hang on, let me get a marker that is darker. Okay, we can do 45 times 60%, which in decimal form would be 0.60. Okay, the first row will be zeros. The second row will be 30, carry our 3, 6 times 4 is 24, plus 3 is 25, 26, 27. So now we can add 0, 0, 27. We have 2 places behind the decimal, so we need to put our decimal in 2 places over. So 60% of 45 is $27. But there's another easy way to do 60% of 45. Instead of multiplying 45 by a decimal, we can turn 60% into a fraction. 60% in a fraction form is 60 over 100. Okay, when we look at that, we know automatically that that can reduce to 6/10 because 10 goes into both of those. And now we see that they're both even, so we can reduce it even further. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 60 over 100, or 60%, turns into the fraction 3/5. 3/5 of 45 is really easy. 5 goes into 45 9 times, and 9 times 3 is 27. $27. Now let's do 16 and 17 together. Number 16 is 0.4 divided by 8. So first we look at our decimal and we'll bring it straight up because there is no decimal out here, so we just bring it straight up. Does 8 go into 0? 0 times. Does 8 go into 4? No, 0 times. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract. Bring down an invisible 0. How many times does 8 go into 40? 5 times. So the answer to number 16 is 0.05. Now look at number 17. It's exactly the opposite of number 16. This is 8 divided by 0.4. When we have decimals out here in the divisor, we have to move them. We have to move them all the way in because we can't divide with decimals in the number. So if we move it in, we have to move it all the way in, so we've moved it one place. That means we have to move the decimal that's here over one place, move it straight up, and this is where our decimal goes in the problem now. And we need to annex a 0. The secret word today is frog, as in a green frog. F-R-O-G. Write that at the top of lesson 87. Now, 4 goes into 8 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 0, bring down our 0. 4 goes into 0, 0 times. 4 times 20 is 80. So in reality, 0.4, our original problem was 0.4 and 8, right? So 8 divided by 4/10 is 20. 24 tenths go into 8.